Hi everyone, I'm Shubhamita Basu, Business Development Director at Parstar Group. This year, I'm organizing a new track on sustainability for the 2025 STLE Annual Meeting and Exhibition. This new Sustainability in Motion track will delve into critical sustainability issues impacting the lubricant industry through 3 dynamic sessions, packed with invited talks, submitted papers, and panel discussion. Topics range from tribological influence on sustainability, regulatory drivers, and to sustainable manufacturing practices. I think this will be a fantastic addition to the conference, igniting enthusiasm and guiding attendees on their path towards sustainability. Don't forget to register for the annual meeting at www.stle.org/annual meeting. I can't wait to see you all in Atlanta this May as we drive sustainability forward together. Thank you.